Hey guys, my name is Aditi and welcome back to another video. This video is really special because I am making a video after a really long time and I've been planning my content, but then there was this thing of, everybody told me that it is NEET and you can decide after NEET and whatever. Now NEET stands postponed. I am in the middle of crisis with my head. I'm thinking to study, and I'm also planning to write content. I'm also planning to go to a clinic. So this video is dedicated to every student who is in third year, final year, or even an intern. And this video is about how to find a dental clinic around you. So recently I updated on Instagram that I have moved to Ahmedabad, and my parents have recently shifted here from Delhi, and even I am new here, and it's to be precise only 12 days of me in Ahmedabad. And I really wanted to explore the city. I really wanted to see what kind of things are here and what is different from Bombay. So I went to different types of clinics, I saw different types of practices, and here I am telling you how to choose a dental clinic. So first things first, you need to decide a dental clinic according to what skills you need to learn. So if you are a beginner, like of course you are in third year or final year or an intern, your knowledge level is here, but your practical skills are little lower to what your knowledge is. So we all have read theory, we all have studied like going out of our boundaries and scored really great marks and everything, but when it comes to practical level, dentistry is totally different. Like, I met one of the dentists and he told me that even if you have first class, it does not matter, because when it comes to clinical skills, everybody's a zero. And that really hit me hard, because I was like trying to tell him, you know what, I have studied, I know the theory and everything. He's like, theory does not even matter, clinical skills are totally different. So finding a clinic according to the type of practice is something that would help you. And I would suggest you, if you're going initially as a beginner, you should find something in between of a class practice and a mass practice. Why I'm saying in between of that, because I have seen various mass practices not following a proper sterilization protocol, and I have seen various class practices who will not teach you everything from the basics. Like, for example, taking a radiograph. So we have used a different technique in college, they have a different technique at their clinics. So of course all the techniques are new and all the techniques will get you a radiograph, but you need to start, like, to write words or sentences, you need to know the letters. Like, this is what I believe in. So you need to basically go to a practice where you can like tell the person that, these are the things that these are the things that you are completely unaware of. Like, for example, if you go to a very like classy class practice, you will see that the doctor only uses an endomotor, or they are using different type of files in the endomotor and everything. But if you do not know how to differentiate between red and the other color files like me, then you have to like wahan jaane ke liye you have to like start from here. So a middle practice, which is like in between of mass and class, where you have patients as well, you have practice as well, you have things also to do, that is the best place to start with. Point number two. So the point number two says that choose a clinic which is nearby, and the location of the clinic really matters. And why I'm telling you this is because everything from my place is so far. So I live in Gandhinagar, and Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad are like, if you are from Bombay and if you can get the reference, so it's like Kharghar to Mulund, Kharghar to Chembur, Kharghar to Kurla. So it's really far from each other. And if I was in Bombay and I had the like train to travel, I would have like taken the call and gone to the best clinic I could have. But here the problem is that the mode of transportation is like nothing unless and until you are booking a cab or an auto. Like, auto also is very difficult to get in Ahmedabad, I just feel. And if you are like really going on a daily basis, you can't afford to spend more than 500-600 bucks just in cabs or something. I feel it is not worth spending that much money, because initially when you are in your learning phase, you will probably not get anything. Like, very few dentists are ready to pay you 2,000 or 3,000. Here, like, there's no system of payment. If you are observing in some clinic, you are going at your own cost and your own risk and your own everything. All they are doing and providing you is with the teaching. Point number 3, which is the most important point, if you are assisting in some clinic or you're going to some clinic, please leave all the knowledge behind and everything in your college. If you're a college student, like I was really enthusiastic telling the dentist I used to go to that, this is what I did, this is what I did. The reason why she told me that things are totally different when it comes to a clinical setup, and I also realized that because your college ka approach is totally different and private practice is totally different. So please go and please leave your learnings. And I think this happens to a lot of people. I do not mind me saying this, but please leave your ego behind and then learn from someone, because only then you will be able to give your best or accept or learn the best. These were the 3 points which I wanted to share with you all in finding a clinic of your own. I have also found a clinic for myself which is quite far away from my place, but that was something I realized, this will help me to learn, because everything which was nearby was not giving me that much exposure to patients. So that is why I chose a clinic which is 14-15 kilometers away from my place. And I'll be starting going soon, because I'm in the process of figuring out how I'm going to do things and everything. So best of luck for finding a clinic if you are finding one, and all the best for your NEET exam.